This salt air recipe gives Margarita lift, structure, and a sensory punch. My name's Trevor Hutchins. I'm a bar director here in San Francisco, and this is how you make cocktail airs. So starting with some filtered water, you're gonna measure out 3 grams of soy lecithin. Give that a quick blend with your immersion blender. Then you're gonna do 20 grams of salt. Next, you need this handy tool. So this is actually a fish tank air pump. So it's meant to aerate, create oxygen in fish tanks. We're using it for the same purpose. We're using this little stone here at the end, which kind of spreads out these like tight little air bubbles. So the soy lecithin is there as a stabilizer or emulsifier. And so those little tiny bubbles that are produced by the fish tank air pump kind of create this really beautiful foam. At the end of it, I have just a little on-off switch. So that way you don't have to reach down if you're in service, and it's just quick on and off. So you can see it's creating all these like tiny little air bubbles. This is a lot of flavor, this is a lot of texture coming out of this. And this recipe is a pretty simple recipe. It's really versatile. So think about water as sort of the enemy of flavor. Instead of using water, you could use maybe another clarified juice or liquid, something with more flavor to add a little bit more punch to your cocktail. Think about this sort of garnish as like a real experience for the guest. You can get really theatrical with it. I mean, this sort of looks kind of like, ocean, kind of like sea foam. So, run with a fun theme for it. Great thing about these, they're pretty stable. So this will last a couple days in your refrigerator, but you can honestly just keep it out during service for speed. And they just add a really cool texture, visual. Think about like other ingredients that you could use, like something like beet juice that has like really vibrant color that'll create really cool contrast with your cocktail. Cocktail airs are more than just a garnish, they're a flavor tool. Cheers.